Sound mad. 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 Yeah, baby. You saying like that, yeah? Proper, yeah? 30. Huh?
When I bought my one,
yeah.
If my speakers weren't good, I was going to get a sub, but because they're quite loud, I got 6.5 inch underneath the seats.
Mad.
So like they're good.
What does that sound like? Good?
Yeah,
Decent?
They're bassy. That's why I didn't get the sub.
Yeah, I don't even play my music around here, man. They'll evict me, bro. I'll show you it, but I can't play it around here.
That will blow the wind.
Yeah, it's a mad thing.